Hi, in this particular video we are going to understand the keyword let. Now obviously this keyword let, if I talk about, it's part of ECMAScript 6 if I talk about. So we will be understanding about that. So first of all, let's try to understand why do we need that. So if we have a like previous way of doing this in JavaScript was very simple. We would say var name equals to Avinash, or I'll keep the channel name skillnagar, and I would say console.log name, and you can see on the right hand side that it is saying skillnagar. But now what I could do, I would say name equals to, I would say var name equals to skillnagar version 2, and now I would say console.log name. So now you can see I have one variable that is name, but I have sort of redeclared it. Okay, so obviously you can understand, like, this is a possibility that we have a very big program, so the people might redeclare the variable. With the help of let keyword, what we can do, we can say let name equals to skillnagar. Now I'll say console.log name. When I do that, obviously I'm getting the name of the channel. Now if I'll do something again, let name equals to skillnagar version 2. Now you can see already in my ID I'm getting the error. Now you can see in the browser also I'm getting the error. Identifier name has already been declared at this. So what we can do, we won't be able to redeclare it. What we can say, we can just change the value of it now. And now I'll say console.log name. So you can see skillnagar and skillnagar version 2. So this is the first I would say advantage of let variable. Second advantage is obviously the block scope. So I'll give you an example. I'll say let name equals to skillnagar, and I'll quickly create a function here, and I'll say function channel name. I'll say channel owner, and I'll say let owner equals to Avinash, and I'll say return owner. Nothing fancy. I'll say console.log name plus owner. I could have used a better way of doing that. So now you can see here is one thing which I'm getting is owner is not defined. So what is happening, this scope of this particular variable, if I talk about, is limited to this particular function. We cannot use it outside this function, so I cannot even redeclare it. Okay, so you can see I'm not able to access this particular keyword if I talk about, or I would say variable, outside this function. But what I can do obviously is channel owner, and now everything will work as usual. So you can see the difference between a var and a let keyword is quite different. Like, you cannot redeclare it, and obviously you cannot use it outside the scope.